Howdy folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Got something a little different today. Today's the opening day of bow season, and guess what I'm doing? I'm going backpacking. Remember a few weeks ago I recommended you guys go check out Jeff Meadows Outdoors. He's an old friend of mine, and he has a YouTube channel. And I mentioned going on a trip to on a hike in Virginia. Well, fast forward, and here we are. And I'm headed to the trailhead to meet up with Jeff, and we're hiking McAfee's Knob, however you pronounce it. But he and I both been wanting to do this hike for a long time, and we're finally going to make it happen. So stay tuned. I'll introduce you guys to Jeff and introduce you to one of the most beautiful views in Virginia, probably on the East Coast, to be honest with you, and one of the most photographed spots on the Appalachian Trail. So we will see you at the trailhead later. Well folks, we're making the final approach to the parking lot. This is the only part that I'm worried about, is finding a place to park. It's 10:47 and I know this place is very popular, so I guess we're fixing to find out here just around this curve. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Golly, it is packed already. Good heavens. Well, there is places to park. Hey buddy, how you doing? Place to park?
I saw a big van just leave from over there. You could check that out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait right here for you.
Any places to park?
I don't know. I'm parked down that side road.
Okay.
It's just a part of when you're backpacking, though, you end up having the 5 C's on you automatically just because you have the shelter and corded and knife and everything.
Right.
Instinctively, yeah. I guess that's it. The survival teachers make a lot of money teaching people common sense.
Yeah. Right. Well, folks, here we are. Me and my brother from another mother, Jeff, headed up the trail. Our first overlook on our way up to the knob. We're still at it, folks. Pumping out the miles. Jeff's got smoke coming off of his shoes. I can't keep up with him. Just passed a through hiker headed for Georgia. Check that rock out. It's a big hunk, ain't it?
Big old hunk of rock.
Some good slab climbing. You just have to top rope it.
And it looks like it's uphill from here.
Yeah. Well, there was some downhill all the way through cut to the first shelf. Which we began to yield now. Because it was only 1 mile in.
We're gonna stop off here at the first shelter we come to. I think he said it was the John Springer shelter, I think. Neither one of us has ate lunch, so I think we're gonna stop here and just chill out for a few. So we got all night once we get up there. So. Did you say John Springer was the name of this one?
Is this John Spring? It might be. That's one of the two. I can't
Yeah.
remember which one came first.
Somebody left some trail magic up there for somebody, but it ain't me and Jeff. We don't drink. Could wish it was 2 bottles of water. That's what us hillbillies call a spring. A mountain spring. We're still at it. I had to step in front of him. I couldn't keep up anymore.
Before I got here in the car, I had thought about putting you in front, and we just started walking, never thought about it.
Yeah. Very busy, just as we figured. We've passed a lot of people, and a lot of people have passed us.
This just went off in like rain. Got to camp in time to get my hammock, and it's got this fly.
Right.
Not lollygagging around like I do in the spring when I'm looking for morels and stuff.
Yeah. Another shelter here. Not sure of the name of this one.
Catawba Mountain Shelter, I believe.
Catawba Mountain Shelter. Well folks, a little update. We have crossed the fire road and now we're coming up on the high line. And we're headed to the top. To the top, to the top, to the top. If we don't drop.
It didn't cross it, and there didn't a place to get a view, did it?
No. No view here.
There's a lot of rock
boulder field here on the trail.
That
way.
I thought it was up towards Statman.
This reminds me of Utah. All the slick rock.
Yeah. These rocks down the channels, they didn't look like these. They were all these bright oranges and greens and real colorful.
Yeah.
They were super smooth.
We're getting close. Wow, what a hike. I tell you what, I've lost more water than I've consumed. We got a sign that says overlook. Almost there. Yeah. Well, we made it. Holy cow, what a view.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Not enough money. At night it makes me nervous to have to really look at it. That's how she is. She can't look at anything. Yeah.
Well, we're headed down to the pig farm to spend the night. Some massive rocks in here.
This has switchbacks there. That's good.
Yeah.
There's the next.
Right. Unfortunately, we had to walk off the mountain to set our hammocks up. You're not supposed to camp on the knob. Unfortunately, it looks like there's some people up there that might be. This is crazy steep. Quit laughing, Jeff. It ain't funny. I'm just messing with you, buddy.
I'm just laughing. I'm just picturing some other parts of the trail I've been on to make this look like cakewalk.
Yeah, it ain't bad. It's just straight down. That's it.
That dragon's too high for a cookie.
Was it?
That's probably the most technical one.
Old Rag Mountain is the worst I've been on.
On Dragon's Tooth, you're literally scaling vertical cliffs, using your hands and your feet, and ladder run.
Oh, wow.
That just looks just like Blaine County.
Yeah, it does, don't it?
The power line right away goes on them mountains. And the new power lines are put in there. They're everywhere.
Well, folks, we got our camp set up. There's my hammock, bug net, camo nestino. Here's my buddy Jeff's chill grill, or chill gorilla. Excuse me. See it, old Jeff Meadows down in there from Jeff Meadows Outdoors? There he is. Hanging out in the chill grill. I got dinner boiling. Wow, it's already boiling. Check that out. I guess I'm ready to mix that with some turkey dinner.
Be a bad walk right today.
Well, we're on our way out. There's my brother, Jeff. Wore out. So about 8 miles in 2 days. Was trying to get some footage of McAfee this morning as the fog would lift, but it never lifted. Looks like it's still hanging in the valley over there. You probably can't see it from the camera anyway, but we went up the Appalachian Trail and we're coming back out the Fire Road. We spent the night at a camp down, I think they call it the pig farm. It's rough to get down into it and then get back up there in the mornings. We was trying to make the sunrise, which we did see a little bit of the sun. I took a picture, but I don't know if it turned out or not.